First example. So here we have a triangle inside a triangle. Does everybody see the triangle inside the triangle? You have this triangle here inside the larger triangle. So you kind of have overlapping triangles. Yes, we all see it? Okay, so what's going to happen in section 6.2 is they're going to give us a ratio equal to another ratio, also known as a proportion. They're going to give this to us. So all we're going to have to do is find this information and substitute it in and then solve for whatever the unknown part is that they're asking us for. So section 6.2 is quite easy because they give you the proportion. As we move on in the course, they're not going to give us the proportion anymore and we're going to have to come up with it ourselves. Okay, so we're kind of scaffolding along as we go. So here's my diagram. I'm given that there's a ratio of AB to BC is going to be equal to the ratio of AE to ED. So what does it mean again if I have two letters with no symbol above it? It's asking for the length of that line segment. So what is the length of line segment AB in that diagram? That's a 6. I know it looks kind of a little rough there. So it's 6. Do I know what BC is? Nope. So what do we put if we don't know something? X is equal to, what's AE? Oh, that's a typo. That should be an E, not an F. Make that into an E. So AE is 12, and ED is 4. Cross multiply, go. Do we get 2? So we got to make sure we write our final answer. BC is equal to 2. Don't write X equals 2 because we're asked to find BC's length. Okay? Pretty easy, yeah? Hopefully. All right, number 2. Next one, we are given the ratio of AB over BC is equal to the ratio of AE over ED, and we're looking to solve for BC. So what is AB's length? 12, good. Do we know BC? Yeah. Nope, so I'm going to put an X there. AE is 18. Now we have to think a little bit. What's ED's length? It's not going to be 18. The whole thing is 33. This top part is 18. What's left over? 33 minus 18 is 15. Cross multiply, go. So what's BC equal to?
12.
I got 10. 180 divided by 18 times X is 18. There we go. So BC is equal to 10. So far, so good? Good. All right, next one. Now we're looking for B to E. Ooh, this one's a good one. All right, FD to FE. Do I know FE's length? That's 9. F to, or hold on, I didn't do that right. FD. I need FD, not FE first. F to D is how many units? 12, thank you. F to E is 9, is equal to CD, which is 16, over BE, which we don't know, so I'm going to make that X. So cross multiplying that, 16 times 9 is 144, is equal to 12x. Divide by 12 gets us, x is equal to 12. So I'm going to write my final answer as BE is equal to 12. Okay. All right. Next one. which is the last one, right? Okay, so now we're trying to find AC. Now, if you took notice, in the last 3 problems, the segment we were trying to find was located in the proportion. Do I have AC in my proportion? No. So I'm trying to find AC. Well, AC is this whole little part right here, right? So keep that in mind when we do our solving. So I'm going to ignore this for now and just keep doing what we were doing. Do I know AB's length? No. So what are we going to do? Make it X over BC, which is, I know those 6's look bad, 6 is equal to FE, which is 4 over E to D, which is 6. Cross multiplying that gets us 6x equals 24. So x is equal to 4. So that means which length is 4? BA is 4. So what would be A to C? 10. Good. So A to C would be 4 plus the 6, which is 10. Okay. All right. Questions with that? Pretty simple, I think.